In this video, we will explain how to make symmetrical or asymmetrical width setting on Omni Plus I. Warning: read and fully understand the operator's maintenance and safety manuals before using or servicing this machine. Failure to follow operating, maintenance or safety instruction could result in serious injury. Place the connection piece between reed and movable main nozzle and tighten. Loose the set screw on the back of the crossbeam to move the fixed main nozzle to the basic distance of the movable main nozzle. This distance is a starting value and can be changed according to the article. A good starting value is 120 millimeters. Take a wooden spacer to insert in the reed holder. Mark the distance and cut off the excess. Place the wooden spacer and tighten all the bolts of the reed holder at 9.6 Newton-meter. Remount the filling clamp on the filling cutter if the clamp was installed before. Place the left lamina equal to the beginning of the reed. Pull the profile towards the weaver and tighten. Place the right-hand lamina, depending on execution, cordless, tucking inner waist cord. See manual for the different executions. Place the middle laminas and tighten them. Place the support and Diablo extraction nozzle. See manual for correct position. Remove the Diablo extraction nozzle, but leave the support in place. Place the clip. Open on both sides the spring clamps of the pressure rollers. Open cover, lift the pressure rollers. Put the cloth back over the sand beam and pressure rollers. Use the terminal to activate the take-up. Put back the temples. Lower the pressure rollers and close the spring-loaded clamps. Use the terminal to retension the warp. Draw in the waste ends in the auxiliary reed. Place the Diablo extraction nozzle. Place the waste scissor. Close the cover. Mount back the covers. Thread up the main nozzles. Place the left lino at 5 mm from the first warp end. Place the right lino at 5 mm from the last warp end. After setting the terminal, such as weft material, distances of relay nozzle, programmable filling tensioner, etc., the loom can be started. Be aware that further fine-tuning will be needed. Questions or remarks? Please contact us.